Hey guys, welcome to VEURINK'S RV Center here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Today I want to talk about the Sportsmen Classic 181BH. This is a brand new updated model that we just got in, and there's a few features that I'd like to point out. Number one, it is starting to live up to its name of being a classic, especially with this new color scheme. I really like it. Now this comes with the off-road package, so you're going to have these bigger, beefier wheels. And this unit is also a 7-foot wide camper, so you can get into those hard to reach spaces back in the woods. Just really nice. It also comes with a full-size spare on the back, which I really like with that recessed bumper. Makes it look really clean. One of the other great things accompanying this outside LED light and speakers is this almost full-length awning that almost goes the length of your camper here. That's going to be great. 12-volt out, easy. No more cranking, guys. You can still get a small unit and not have to crank on your awning and get it out. So let's take a look at some of the things on the inside, some of the things I really like. So on the inside of this updated Sportsman, we have a really nice finish on the inside. I really like what they've done with the colors. They didn't go all white, but it's more of like a sandalwood color. You've got plenty of counter space in here with a nice deep sink, 2-burner microwave. You also get a nice big refrigerator, which is an auto switchover. You have lots of cupboard space, which is always a must. And then over here, you have a dinette, which also has updated colored cushions, which also drops down to a dinette, so you have some extra sleeping. You could easily get 6 people in this camper and not be on top of each other. Back here, you have your 2 bunks. Really easy access. They did update this top bunk, so now it is 250 pounds up top, so it can even hold a big lug like me. We also have a couple plugs down here, some lights. In here, you're going to have a foot flush toilet with plenty of shoulder space and good ample room to be able to stand around. You also have a pretty big shower for being a unit this size. I'm 6'2", and I can actually stand up in it, which is a very nice feature. So with this unit, you also have a queen bed up front, which is going side to side. Then you also have some storage space underneath here that does go up through your pass-through, so you can have access to that stuff outside. So when you're loading, you can put it from the outside and get it while you're in the inside. Once again, thank you for checking out the Sportsman 181BH. This is a unit we have on hand pretty regularly, but call at the number below, and I'd love to schedule something, love to show it to you in person, make it your next camper. Thank you.